I'm Frank Darras, America's top insurance attorney, and today we're going to learn about the average cost of term life insurance. Everybody knows what term life is. It provides coverage at a fixed rate of premiums for a limited amount of time. After that period expires, the rate of premiums is no longer guaranteed. For example, if you buy a 10-year policy and you pay for 10 years, year 11, those premiums are no longer guaranteed. It's like shopping for new coverage. Policies are offered in a variety of lengths, ranging from 10, 15, 20, to 30 years. A study performed in 2007 by the Insurance Information Institute told us that term insurance rates have dropped about 4% per year on average since 2000. Hey, good for us. Carriers offering coverage for less. Term insurance is typically cheaper than other types of life insurance, whole life, universal life, because there are little costs to the insurer other than administering the policy and paying our death benefit. A 20 or 30-year term life policy can cost as little as $100 to $200 a year, depending on your age, sex, and health. Premiums are paid on an annual basis, or you can do it monthly out of your checking account, quarterly, or semi-annually, and those premiums are going to vary based on how old you are, your health condition, the amount that you need insurance for, the length of that term life insurance, whether you're engaged in high-risk hobbies, like our high flyer this weekend that jumped out of the airplane at 127,000 feet. There's a guy that's got a high-risk hobby. Gender, occupation, and the type of work. The heavier the work, the more the premium. Monthly rates for a $500,000 policy are going to be lower the younger the time you purchase the policy. For example, if you're 35, you could pay as little as $15 a month, whereas at age 50, you'll pay almost $45 a month for the same coverage. Hey, buy it young when you hope to make a ton. It's cheaper. A level term policy is also going to keep the same coverage amount and premium for the life of the policy, so you can lock in those rates for up to 30 years. And remember, this policy is not renewable when the term expires. A renewable term policy has the option to renew at the end of the original policy term. The term's typically shorter, usually between 10 and 15 years, and can usually be purchased up to a certain age, usually before you're 65 or 70. When you renew, remember, you're going to pay a higher premium. Now, term insurance doesn't allow us to build up any cash value on the policy. The payout amount is fixed, and if the policy is canceled, there's no cash value buildup and no return of premium. Remember, when you're shopping around for term life insurance, buy it when you're young. We don't have those health problems, and we can lock in a cheap rate for a long time, get that peace of mind and security, and protect our loved ones. I'm Frank Darras, founding partner of Darras Law, Ontario, California.